In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the persistent menu feature in your Instagram chatbot. The persistent menu allows the user to have a readily available interface element inside every bot conversation. This is an easy way to help users discover and access the core functionality of your bot at any point in a conversation. First, connect your Instagram channel to our platform. A separate video for Instagram integration is provided on the description box below. Go to your Instagram channel settings and edit persistent menu. Click Add New and label the button to be visible on your persistent menu. Just like typical action buttons, you will then select the action that will be triggered once the button is selected. For this example, we will add the Talk to Support action and open website on our persistent menu. The persistent menus is always available to users. Suggestively, this menu should contain the top-level actions that users can use and be redirected to at any time. Having the persistent menu makes access to basic capabilities of your chatbot easier, especially for beginners or new users. Once done, click Save. Now we're set. Let's try out the Instagram persistent menu feature. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions or need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline in the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.